Got a deadline to meet. Things are getting no better, living a life of broken promises. My dreams of being famous getting further than closer. I relax, contemplate, crack a brew, a puff and doja. Stress fades away whenever I'm not sober. Educating my mind from the heart of the streets, and you can catch me in the gutters of the heart of Cali. Shady ladies think to play me, and haters thinking they're crazy. I pursue with a cold shoulder. You really can't fade me. What is it gonna take to make things my way? Cause I'm tired of being broke when I'm gonna get paid. Sitting on my mama's couch, drifting off and getting blazed. Baby mama's always bitching, talking about go get a job. Nobody hires a villain, so I got no choice but to rhyme, It's on the pop, meaning 40's getting chugged up. Dealers earn pay while the fiends getting drugged up. It's awfully dark, the weather is partly cloudy. No sun and sunshine, the kush done got me drowsy. Mama told me rough days is bound to happen. She said, son, I can't do nothing for you, so I gotta make it happen. Pops, let me stranded to rot, so I learned to blaze weed and serve dope on the block. Fuck the cops, my mentality said I'm getting this paper. Associate with you and give the finger to haters. Got a son and a daughter, I'll be damned if it's dark. It's a parole to get large, willing to write up the charge. Bubble, caught me slipping, pursuit to say he the victim. Sitting in a cell while I'm lost in the system. My baby's on the phone, she's stressed and steady tripping. How long will I be living? Eventually see the dirt. Will I shine? I don't know. Before I'm up in the hearse, inside my heart there's hurt. Only the past won't last as my memories disperse. Aiming for the top, won't stop till I'm in the grave. Chief in that haze, my objective is to get paid. Play is just not in my vocabulary. Solid to the core, look in the pupils of a visionary. Mama, don't burn me, I'll accomplish my goals. The same blacks out my bro made me sturdy and bold. So cold, my heart's froze from the struggles and strife. Fucking gamble with your luck and place it all on the dice. West Coast, all year long, in fact, since I can remember. My lifestyle's complicated, your money gets confiscated. Place your bet and it's roulette, and in the end you in debt. Hesitate to pay up, and in the box you left. No second chance on the surface of earth. You meet the dirt, now you're dipping through the block. In a black on black hearse, full believe what you want. The truth starts to unravel when this game will scramble. Every selection of birds is an excruciating battle. Fortify my soul and strap up the saddle. With this heavy metal, you ain't on my level. I'm elevated and oblivious, no symptoms to the sickness. And just like Houdini, you disappear in the quickness. That's right, motherfuckers. We still holding it down.